Hello and welcome to another episode of Criminal IP Search 101. Today, we will find servers with OpenSSL vulnerability by using a filter called CVE-ID, which is used to find accurate findings of systems with a certain CVE. In this example we will use two CVEs found in a recently discovered OpenSSL vulnerability CVE-3168 and CVE-2602, and they signify a vulnerable version of OpenSSL. We will use CVE-ID filter and CVE-2022-3786 as the keyword. As shown here, there is a total of 24,058 servers with the OpenSSL vulnerability. From the results we can see that most of these servers are in the US, and this CVE is most often found in port 80 and 443. Checking out the detailed analysis of this website shows that there are plenty of open ports. Looking at this vulnerability through asset search shows that port number 80 is open and vulnerable. We can also scroll down here and find CVE-2022-3602. Another CVE associated with the OpenSSL vulnerability is among the CVEs listed here. Furthermore, this server is running old version of OpenSSL, which is a vulnerable version of this software. This means that security personnel must take preventative measures and update their OpenSSL to the latest version available. In addition, you can access CVEs found in ExploitDB with Criminal IP's exploit search. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with another search tip.